Here we are going to cover the difference between the object-based programming language and object-oriented programming language. So in object-based programming language, it supports data encapsulation, data hiding, and automatic initialization and clearing up of the objects and operator overloading. So these are all the concepts which are supported by the object-based programming language. And here the disadvantage is they do not support this inheritance and dynamic binding. So one of the programming language is ADA. And now object-oriented programming language, that is nothing but here object-based plus it also supports the inheritance and dynamic binding. So that is called as object-oriented programming languages. So that is the examples are C++, Java, Smalltalk, Object Pascal. So these are all the different examples for this object-oriented programming languages. Now, sir, what are the benefits of this object-oriented programming? But whenever you are using the object-oriented programming, we can eliminate the redundant code because you cannot reuse the same code again. You cannot rewrite the same code again and again. So by using inheritance, what we are doing, we are reusing the code. So with that, the redundancy, that is nothing but duplication of the code will be eliminated. And the next advantage is here data hiding, it helps the programmer to build the secured code because we are not exposing the internal details of the application. So with that, we can build the secure applications, and it is easy to partitioning the work in a project based on the objects. Different objects can be created for the different works, and they can be merged together, and we can build it as a project. And another important point is the object oriented system that can be easily upgraded from small to large systems. That is the one more advantage by using these objects. And software complexity, whatever we are feeling, that can be easily managed by using this object oriented programming languages. And sir, where we use this object oriented programming, what are the application areas of this object oriented programming? It can be implemented in the real time systems, object oriented databases, and in neural networks and parallel processing, decision supporting, and office automation systems, as well as we can also use in the CAD/CAM systems. So these are all the various applications of this object-oriented programming in our real time.